Welcome. In front of me is a OnePlus 6T McLaren edition, and I will show you how to access the recovery mode. So we'll need to start off by powering off the device, holding the power key, and then tap on power off. Wait for the device to turn off, which will be indicated by the vibration. And once it's off, we will hold the volume down and power key, so right here, together. The phone will vibrate, you will see the logo, and then you can let go of the keys. And from here, if you have any kind of lock pattern like I did, you will need to put it in. If you want to do a hard reset, you can actually just tap on forget the password. It will automatically just ignore the code that you need to put in and go to a factory reset, but we're just doing the recovery mode. So once you put in the code, if you have one, you get to select the language, which is English, and then you get the options. You have wipe data cache, which you can select here. Go advanced or exit. In advanced, you get reboot to fast boot or reboot to recovery. You can tap on reboot to recovery, and give it a moment. Now once you've seen it was already in recovery, so not really sure why that's there, but fast boot is also accessible. Go here, you have also options to erase everything. Wipe only cache or reset system settings. System settings would reset only basically like passwords that you have and every change that you made to the device, but would, if I'm correct, keep the apps on there. Everything would remove, as you can see, music, pics, applications as well, and basically everything. It would be a fresh system, and wipe cache only wipes the cache partition and leaves every settings that you have made before, and applications, everything else. So also to leave it, assuming you want to leave it, you can just tap on exit and then confirm it one more by tapping either reboot or power off, which will do the respected operation. So I'm just gonna tap on reboot and confirm it once more by tapping reboot and wait for it to turn back on. So this is how you access the recovery mode, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.